how to say where you are in Igbo language. You start with anom, ano, an with o dot, then which is me, anom. Then you complete wherever you are. You can say anom na olo, anom no olo, I'm in the house. Anom nezi, I'm outside. Anom niro, I'm outside or I'm on the road. Anom nahia, I'm in the market. Anom n'ụlọ akwụkwọ, I'm in school. Anom n'ụlọ ụka, I'm in church. Anom n'ụlọ akụ, I'm in bank. Anom na be enyi m, I'm in my friend's house. Anom n'ime ụlọ m, I'm inside my house. Anom ebe a na-ere nri, I'm in a restaurant or I'm where I'm eating. Anom n'ụzọ Onitsha, I'm on my way to Onitsha. Ụzọ means road or way. Anom n'ụzọ Onitsha, I'm on my way to Onitsha. Anom n'ụzọ gị, I'm at your door. Anom n'ụzọ gị, so you went to a person's house and you called the person, hey, are you at home? Anom n'ụzọ gị, I'm in front of your door, or I'm at your door. So you start with anom, then you put the preposition na, then you say the location of your place. I hope this video helps. Kindly hit the subscription button for more. I still remain your favorite Igbo language teacher.